Welcome to my card art, and today you will have a very special treat from Disneyland that I had recorded from a Lilo and Stitch theater production. Please enjoy the show and also some ideas of crafting tips. Sorry everyone, I had to remove the original song here from Disney during the performance because of copyright issues, and I totally understand that. You just don't get to enjoy the nice rhythm. I did substitute with a less effective song for this particular wonderful theatrical performance here. But I still wanted you to see the moves, and it was something really, really cute. There is a portion here where the wizard is going to be talking after Stitch is ready to go ahead and dance away. As you could see him, shaking his little booty and running around the stage. And of course the performers were absolutely wonderful here. And the guys on the surfboard, if you look at them, it's kind of cool because they stand on it and spin. Check that out. So now I'm narrating this instead of you guys listening to the song. I'm so sorry, but rules are rules. And the dancers are super talented and the girls are doing a great job. Everyone is really. And there's Stitch blowing a big kiss. And look at the background with the waves. So check this out. So the wizard is going to be coming up here. And of course, because the song was continuously playing, I can't play what he said for you. So I kind of am going to paraphrase what he said. There's Mickey on the wave. And he's walking away. And there's the wizard lifting him up in his hand. And basically the wizard is discussing pretty much, I believe, what Walt Disney himself believed. That you had found the map, and the wizard is letting Mickey know that there is so much in the world, and it's all about imagination. And since you have discovered that, it's very important to hold on to that. And if there's imagination, possibilities are endless. So this is paraphrasing what the wizard said. I don't want to say exactly what he said. I don't want to get in trouble for that. And of course there's a magic wand that Mickey gets. And there he is, telling him the possibilities are endless. Just like crafting. So back to the rest of the video. Thanks guys. So stay tuned. Such a great production. I get inspired so many ways, and I hope my little video here is going to give you inspiration. See, like this Disneyland pin. It's so cute. And of course, the flowers I see around me in the previous video that you saw that I took from Disneyland. I just, when I see things like this, I start to create. Here's a cute little Aloha girl. She is just adorable, I think. And here is my Stitch, thinking of you. And my mom, she is truly an artist. Check this out. Look at that. That's a table that she hand painted. It's an old coffee table that she refurbished and just decided to go ahead and paint. We go to Disneyland quite a bit, and we try to get some time off and travel as much as possible. And even just everyday things around us that we see. We paint, we draw, so many different things. Look, isn't that beautiful? I love her design. She did not pre-draw it or anything. Just sat down one day and started painting it. Here is my little card, just a bunch of colors. And of course some tags. These are shaker tags. And butterflies, as you see. Some days I just sit down and start to create something like this little fish with bubbles. Just because. And of course jellyfish are so cute, I think. So basically I just love to create like this background. Right there, it's just clouds. And I thought it was really pretty. Here's Stitch again. I like that little dog. And a birthday card inspired by the beach theme and ocean and Hawaii. Of course, coffee cups. You know, most everybody likes coffee. And I do eat while I craft. So here is a quick snack that my husband made for me. There's a beautiful family photo. I love that one. And here are little fishies with just an ocean theme that I created. This one says, don't get old, you forget a lot. Like, for example, the juggling part. I thought that was kind of funny. And a bookmark in the middle that you see. And just birthday cards that I take and put little notes in. And I really like these flowers. I love flowers. There are just so many of them and so many ways to create them. And look at this one. It's a sea otter. And the words turn. When I travel, I take photos. Look at these flowers. It's a field of flowers. How could I see this and not get inspired? That's impossible. I have to make something that's beautiful as well. That's all hand done right there. And the dreamer card with a fairy. Some cards I make are super simple, but some are a little bit more complicated. Look, I just think they're so lively. And the octopus here, I love that guy. And a little close-up of some of the things, again, my mom's beautiful table that she made. And bookmarks with Disney characters. I love Disney. And these were given to some little kids. And I hand make sometimes my embellishments and just make them and then use them later. These are little paper clips that I made of paper, of course. And here's my little fishy again. And the jellyfish. And this is just a little paper flower that I folded. And then another background paper that I had created. I make a lot of my own paper too, the background, that is. And then just another idea for you guys to use and hopefully get inspired so you can make something. I love this card. It's so modern for me. Back to the jellyfish. They're just so cool. And my little seahorse, of course. Oh, and I love this anniversary card. We gotta have food, right? A couple of ribeyes my husband made. He's a good cook. Some spumoni ice cream, because we're Italian. Have to have that. And some close-ups. And those are real flowers my husband bought me. Those colors were amazing. And the little owl card. I absolutely love this card. And another one that I created. And more birthday wishes. Some are kind of simple, like I said, and some are a little bit more time-consuming. I love my little owl. I just think that face is so adorable. I had to take another picture of these flowers. These are real flowers. Those colors just blew me away. And a shimmering Valentine's Day card. And some more close-ups for you all to see. And just a bunch of little critters. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me your comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I do work a lot, but I love to have you here. Thanks again for watching. And remember, just enjoy life. It's absolutely beautiful. Take care. Bye.